And folks, I'm fixing to show you a luxury home of over 4,400 square feet, 4.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage attached, 2-car garage not attached. Got a swimming pool, and it's sitting on a private lake right here in Texarkana. This luxury home sits in the Tall Oak subdivision just north of I-30 inside the city limits of Texarkana, Arkansas, where you can enjoy hiking, biking, or just strolling around this upscale neighborhood that has a 2-mile loop around these lakes. With access to a private lake where you can enjoy fishing and canoeing. When you go through the front door, you have a large foyer that opens up into the main living room with a wide open kitchen. You have a wraparound bar, a breakfast area. You have a 6-burner Genair cooktop, stainless steel freezer refrigerator combo. The water system has a purifier on it. You've got double ovens and a prep area with 2 sinks. On the west side, you have 2 bedrooms, one on the right, and then you have the master suite right on the left with views of the pool and the lake. The bathroom has separate vanities, jetted tub, and shower with a large walk-in closet. And just down the hall from the formal is another bedroom. It comes with its own bath with a shower tub combo. The door leads out to a double garage, and to the right of that is a large laundry. Then back through the kitchen on the left is another bedroom, and it comes with its own bath also, shower included. Then at the top of the stairs, you have a large game room with a bar area and sink overlooking the swimming pool and the private lake. Just out of the game room, you have your own private theater with 6 captain chairs with a large screen and state-of-the-art sound system. And just out of the theater, you got another full bathroom, shower tub combo, and a bedroom. You know, and you can't call it a luxury home unless you have your own private swimming pool. Folks, this one here is over 30, I'm gonna say close to 35 feet or more by 15, 16 foot wide with a deep end diving board on that other side. And the views of the backyard is right into Tall Oaks private lake here with just exquisite homes up and down, luxury homes on both sides of the lake. Now, a luxury home of this class sitting on a private lake doesn't come up very often at all right here in Texarkana, especially on Jack Cullen Drive. There's no homes for sale here. They're in fact building across here. These are all $1 million homes, most of them. There's a few down at this price range. This home is priced to sell, folks. If you're looking for a private showing, give me a call.